Hey everybody, this is a tutorial for laptopscreen.com. We're going to change out the LCD screen on an HP DV6-1375dx. So the first thing you want to do is disconnect your power source from the side and then remove the battery from the bottom. Once you've done that, you're going to pull off the front bezel. All you need to do is slide your finger around. The front bezel will start to pop off. What you want to do next is you're going to see two screws at the top. You're going to remove a screw from each side, and then you're going to remove the screws on the side. So we're going to do that right now. Okay, put my screws there, two there, my next two. Okay, that one didn't come out as easy. And then you're going to take out the screw here on the side. Okay, so I took the top screws off the top and then the sides. We're going to have two more on the bottom. But you need to remove the bezel first. So you got to carefully slide your hand down to remove the entire bezel, which I'm doing as we speak. As you can see, I've got it here in my hand. I've got one more to go. And it's off pretty much. Okay, so what we need to do now is get the remaining two screws off, flip the LCD down, and from there we'll change out the screen. Okay, I'm going to remove the bottom two screws. As you can see, I've got the bezel off. Make sure you put these on the side so you don't lose them. And you're going to pull the screen apart a little bit just to get that last screw on the side. And the same for this one. And then we'll check the back in a second. I've removed the screws, and now you can see the bezel comes down. The LCD screen comes down. You're going to carefully remove the ribbon. Disconnect it from the back of the screen. Discard your old screen. Grab the new screen and reconnect. Okay, after you put the ribbon on the back of the LCD, you're going to push it back in place and put the four connecting screws on the side like we took off. Then you're going to put the four screws on the top to make sure it gets locked in place, which I'll do right now. Any standard Phillips screwdriver will work fine for this job. We got two in. Now let's put the two on the left in. We'll be almost complete. And here's our fourth screw. Okay, all our screws are in place. All we're going to do is pop the bezel on the front. And there you go, you can see our laptop screen is replaced and it works flawlessly. Okay, once you've put your bezel in place, snapped it in there nicely, what you're going to want to do is put your battery back in the bottom, hit power, and let's see if it works. As you can see, the laptop screen replacement is completed and it works flawlessly. Thanks for watching, and you can get this at laptopscreen.com. This is for the HP DV6-1375dx.